How to change time zone in MetaTrader application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about if we can change time zone in MetaTrader app or not. So let's find out. So first thing, just head over to your MetaTrader application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner, and when you head over to its settings, you can try searching for the option called time zone, but as you can see, there are currently no any options regarding the changing of time zone. There's a system, theme, language, but there is no time zone directly available. So that means the app team hasn't updated the option for the time zone for till now. So I hope they will do that in the future. So you just have to wait patiently until then. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.